In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to share a Jira Dashboard link. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would, and then from here, once you're logged into your account, you'll need to head over to the specific dashboard that you want to send the link for. Now once from here you have found the specific dashboard, you'll then need to set a permission, which is a critical thing to do, or else the people that you're going to send the link for can't see directly for the dashboard. Now to do that, you'll simply need to again go inside of the dashboard and then head over to this little half triangle over here called rename and share. Now from here, you'll be able to see the share up here, and down here you'll be able to add in names or teams. And here you'll be able to add either one of your coworkers inside of the Jira dashboard, or you can also add them via email. So here you can just write the email and then just have it open. And down here you will need to access this space access. Now from here, you'll be able to add either private, limited, or open down here. And this of course means private, that no one else other than that specific person can view the specific link. The limited will have anyone with access to the specific Jira board that you will link to, which is only people you have added to the specific project that have access to edit this specific dashboard, or it can open so everybody can use and edit the dashboard. Once from here, you'll simply need to click copy link like so, link copy to your clipboard, and from here you can send it to your coworker or anyone else that you need to send this specific dashboard to. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!